Guan, please make sure that you come and support us in August 14th to 16th, 2026. Please come, and I'm sure that you really learn something great. We have a lot of cultural activities. We have sightseeing areas in this particular town, part of Ghana, which we want to, to adore to people. We want to let people know about it. So please come and join us, celebrate our Guan community.
Thank you very much.
So, like I said, God has distributed resources across all the Guan communities, and some Guan communities have specific resources. We want to see how best we can harness those resources for the benefit of all the Guan communities in this country. So that is one of the reasons why we are coming together. There will be a session where we'll have a conference to discuss some of these issues and difficult and areas of difficulty that things that we want to, problems that face the Guan communities which we want to resolve this year. We also have the youth conference to discuss peculiar challenges that face the Guan youth and see how best we can resolve them as we move on into the year.
Yeah, so I asked about the significance of holding this event in the kind of question that is between the Guan and the community.
Okay, so as you heard from the president of the Guan Congress, he mentioned that this Guan Congress started far back in 1981 at Boso and Sawam. What the major significance of organizing this Congress in Anum this year is the fact that we are very close to Boso. In fact, it's just about 5 kilometers away. We speak the same language. We are the same people, So I'm sure bringing the Guan Congress to Anum this year is very, very significant as far as history and the originator of Anum Congress is concerned, because Guan Congress is concerned, because one of the founders happened to be from this particular area. I'm inviting.
Before then, say, everybody, upon mentioning Anum, they quickly add Boso. Yep. Is Anum the same as Boso? Distinguish it for us and add what my brother.
Anum is not the same as Boso. There are two traditional areas. Boso is a traditional area which has a paramount chief. Anum is also a traditional area with a different paramount chief. But then we are the same people. Like I said, it's just 5 kilometers away from here. And we do everything together. And as you know, even the Queen Mother of Boso is here to support this particular lunch.
So your message to the Guan people, the last message?
My message to the Guan people, any kind of mene yaye ahemo, biso ide any kind of new ballet. Ninya champion di me etime Dr. Berima Obidompre. Niele ele kwenya monso, nimbo kre enu se kan ofo anobo. And yet to enable through the LG August 14th to 16th Guan Congress enable Benu and need to enable the squad Bernardo Boa. Wasa no Genuni, Oju Guan, for Modiane or Benel Buene. What I'm saying is that I'm inviting all the Guans to come and support this particular program. It's a Guan Congress 2026 Guan Congress at Anum near Boso. Please come. Wherever you are in this country, outside the country, please make sure you book the dates and travel all the way to Anum, and I'm sure that you really enjoy the Congress.
Yeah.